Hello and welcome back to a new video, and today I will answer your question how to rank top 1 in Google. Okay, let's go. So guys, as you know, or if you're new, I have a website called directdiary.com. It is for free coding projects. You can find JavaScript, Python, Java, or whatever, so you can just come here and see it. So how did I do this and I ranked top 1 in Google? So if I will go to Google and search for this, for example, which is Google Cloud Sales Fund Answers, if I will click, I will be the top 2. If I will just write I don't know, something else, I don't know, like, okay, let's just try this. I'm not here, I'm here too. So as you can see, I am in the top 4 at least, or top 1 in Google. So how could you do this? So my strategy is to use Google Search Console. It's the best tool from Google that you can, with it, rank on top of Google. I don't know why it's in Turkish here, but yeah. Alright, so what you're gonna do is just search for Google Search Console. I will just put it in the description box anyways, and then just copy paste your URL and come here or here, whatever. Both of them are, let's come here. Both of them are working, so devam or whatever. What is this? Oh no, I can't understand. Okay, it's in English. So this is your overview of your website, that you can see all analytics. By the way, I was using Google Analytics for a while, and then I didn't like it, honestly, because I was able to see queries, but now I can't. As you can see here, I can't. This is so sad, because I was using this for a while and it was working so good. So the thing that I want to show you is you need to go to performance, and then just click here, average position, and you can, by the way, search or see the performance data of or from the 24 hours, the last 24 hours for 7 days, 28 days, or even you can just customize it. So here, as you can see, these are the keywords that made people, as you can see here, this is the first one, which is this, that makes people seeing my blog. So when they write Google Cloud Sales Credential Exam Answers, I will be here. Let's see, let's just come here, let's copy it, and let's see, I'm top what? I'm top 4, as you can see here, which is so good. Also, if I will paste it, let's just test together. I didn't see this, by the way, just the only one. Let's see if I'm here. Yes, I am. Oh, that's cool. So what I'm doing is I copy paste these. By the way, these queries are the queries that people are writing while searching for something in Google. So if they want to search for the exam answers for Google Cloud, they write all this, as you can see here. So 26% they wrote this, all of it, and then they clicked my blog or my website's link. And so you need to use these keywords while writing your blog. So for example, the next blog for me will be about, I don't know, let's say okay, about PHP exercises and solutions. By the way, let me see if this is good, because I was testing this keyword. I don't know, I didn't see myself last week, but yeah, still I can't see myself, but I think I'm in the second page, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, still not working that, oh yes, I'm here, the second page. Still not working that well, but yes, still something else. So you can get the keywords from here, from Google Search Console, but also what I'm doing is I always get this, because these are what people search for, what they write exactly. If they want, for example, here PHP exercises and solutions, so they also write this. So I do get all of these and write it or add it to my blogs. By the way, I'm doing such a test now. Okay, if I will go to anything, just okay, let's come here, or let's go to one of the projects. Let me show you. I'm doing a small test of how should I integrate or add these keywords. As you can see here, I'm adding it as a block, and I think this is working, but not that much. So writing it into or putting it into a text will be better, but also this method is working for me because I think this, okay, let's see it together. This blog, I did the same test. Okay, let's just see. I think it is the same thing. Let's see. Yes, so it is working, guys. So I'm putting it into a block. Let me see exactly what is the HTML block to tell you. It is this, which is the I forgot about the blog name. Okay, let me just verse. Okay, it's the verse. I put a verse and then I copy paste all the keywords that I found here or in Google, or something else that I do. Oh, I was about to forget this. I always write, for example, PHP exercise, and then I also put these. I put every single thing coming when to me when I write the query in Google or YouTube. Also, I go to YouTube and I do this, the same thing, same procedures, and then I copy paste it in a verse. And as you can see here, it's working, guys. So for me, the method is working very well. As you can see here, a lot and a lot and a lot. I was using some websites for keywords and stuff. I don't know if it works or not. I was using this, which is H Super Tools, but now it's not working very well. I would just write Python. It's not working well. I don't know why, but yeah, I was going here, copy paste everything. By the way, what I'm doing is this. Okay, let's just copy this. I go to ChatGPT and I tell him to remove numbers and give me list of keywords, and then paste up, and yeah, it will give me everything. Just copy it and then put it in a verse block, and that's it. Yeah, as you can see, guys, it's working for me. Everything is going well. I think, I don't know, this method or this strategy is working. So of course you need to choose the right words and you need to choose the right strategy. So I will share with you everything because I'm still new in this domain, so I'm still testing every single thing. And yeah, we need money, guys, so we need to be monetized and stuff. As you can see here, my website is monetized, and yeah, thank God. But you know, we need to do our, by the way, it is better to have Google search, how can I say this? I don't know, let me just come here and see the word, or let's say Google traffic or something like that, better than doing paid, or better than getting paid traffic or something. So organic search, this is the word that I'm looking for. So organic search is better than the direct one or the organic social or whatever, because you know, it's from Google. So you will never ever, because for all of these you will need to do the marketing, but for this one, no need for marketing, so it's better. Yeah, so this is the video of today, guys. I hope you like it. I hope that I helped you. And by the way, I'm doing the testing day by day, and I will share with you every single thing. So don't forget to subscribe, and please put a like. And yeah, don't forget to come to my website to learn coding. So bye-bye.